Hi, this is Hey Hey, our chicken. She's a Braeburn. And when we first got her, watched a bunch of videos about people making chicken diapers out of socks, and they made them out of underwear or whatever. And I've come up with my own solution here, because whenever she's in the house, she's got to have a diaper on. But I've come up with a really cool disposable solution that's super quick and easy to put on and works just great. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And Hey Hey is very used to this. We do this to her all the time when she's in the house. So here you go. So all you really need is one of these small disposable bags you get at the supermarket. And what you're going to do, you're going to put the back over her rear end and slip that all the way up to where her legs are, like so. Make sure that they're in there. And what I used to do when I first started doing this was I would actually put her, hold on a second, Dante. I would actually put her wing through here like this, so her wings were free, which you can do if you want to, but I realized after a while that that really wasn't necessary, because she's not going to be flying around the house anyway. So instead, what I do is I simply put her head through on one side, and then I cross the other side over her head, like so. And that is actually it, and you're set. You've got a chicken diaper here that the chicken can walk around in all day. Now what I found is that after a while the bag can slip down her neck and she can end up walking on it. So what I also do is I'll cinch it up with a little bit of tape right up here, and that actually stops it from moving down on her body and getting caught up in her legs. And this she's literally had on at times for like the entire day, and it works beautifully. And that's it, and she loves it. And
she doesn't love it.
And well, I don't know if she loves it, but it's certainly, we love it, because we can't let her
put hamsters in there.
We can't let her walk around in the house with without a diaper on, because that's just a nightmare. And there you go. I hope this chicken diaper video works for you. It's super easy, and you don't have to deal with fabric and washing stuff and whatever. I mean, you've always got plastic bags, around the house, and it's a great way to recycle them. So thanks for watching.
Wait. Okay. There's a little bit right there.